Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Siri on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Now we have to scroll down a bit, and here we have our Siri option. Next we have to open Talk to Siri, and here all we have to do first we have to click on this off right here option, and here we have to click on this button and stop using Siri, and here we can turn off Siri, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.